Hey, what's up and welcome. This is Matthew Msengati, the greatest, the designer and developer. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your own NPM package, but it doesn't end there. I am going to provide the shortest, the easiest, and the less convoluted way in doing it. Since other videos, they can even spend 2 hours in trying to explain this simple thing. Therefore, this means that I am going to be a little bit fast-paced, so in case there's something that you don't understand, please shoot a comment below. The reason is I want to save your time as much as I can. Without wasting time, let's get into business. This is Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I am inside a folder with the name YT package. This is YouTube NPM package. This is a package that we are going to use as a test. And then if you check here, this is the command. Okay, this is a terminal. Okay, a command line terminal where we are going to type the instruction. First of all, let me give you a tip so that you can wrap your head around this, so that this process could be simple and understandable. If you are new into creating your own packages, okay, don't overcomplicate it. Don't think of create react app command or npm git init or whatever complicated command npx create next.js app. Don't think about that, at least for now, because I want you to quickly understand the essence of what is going on. If you have used a computer before, think of this process as a copy and paste, nothing much. So in this video, what we are trying to do, we are trying to copy files from the server to somebody else's computer, meaning that there will be a developer sitting in China, United States, Nigeria, or South Africa trying to copy your files from an NPM server to their computer. If you can think of it that way, then it's going to be simple and straight to the point. Then you can advance from there. Step number 1, let's just create a Node.js application. As you know that in order to create a Node.js application, you can just type npm init. It's this simple. I am going to make it more simpler to you. You are not going to type anything. You're just going to put this flag -y. This means that this process is just going to continue and fill in all the default details. Then we can customize some smaller things and then we're good to go. So let's hit enter. Okay, as you can see, this package.json file has been created for you. So meaning that we didn't have to go here and put everything here. So for me, this is enough. As you can see, this is telling us that the main to this script is index.js. Okay, so let's create an index.js here. Okay, as you can see, we have index.js. okay, we are not going to create an src folder, components folder. That will defeat the essence of this video. We've just got an index. Important to note, as much as this index is been some sort of assigned here as the main, as if this is the main execution script, don't think of it that way. Just treat as if this index is just another file. This is the file that we want to upload to the internet. Then another developer will just download it. Okay, so what we want to do here, since now this is no longer an important file, this is just a JavaScript file with a function, let's just create a function. Okay, let's just create a function const. For some reason, I'm just going to be careless on naming this function. I will say coded design. Okay, something that I will not advise you to do, but I'm just showing you that this is not a complicated thing. Okay, coded design. My apologies for that. Okay. Okay, this function coded design consoles and logs. Okay, subscribe to coded design, and that's it. That's what this function does. And what we are going to do, what we usually do, okay, and React or in any JavaScript, normal JavaScript file, we are going to export this. Okay, let's export it as a default. Okay, as you can see, what we did, we created an index file, we created a function, and we exported it as a default. Remember, we said we are going to host this file on a server, and another developer, when they want it, they can download it. The reason why they are downloading it, they are not looking for a file necessarily. That's why I don't put more emphasis and importance on the file, but more emphasis and importance on this function. The reason why another developer will download this through an NPM package, they want to make use of your own code. And guys, we are done. The next step is to publish the package. Okay, let's just go to the JSON file, just check if everything works well. Okay, yeah, I think everything is fine here. Then this is the most important command, npm publish. As you can see, boom. Okay, this is going to publish this package to npm. Okay, so guys, what you need to do, you need to go to the npm website and register. Okay, it's free. Okay, it's simple, it's not complicated. And then from then you are going to have to authenticate yourself. Okay, in this command line interface, it's like putting your username and the password. After that, that is all. Everything that works here, it will work also on your side. So what's going to happen, npm will send you an email telling you that you have just published a file. So let's just prove or test that this package has been installed. Let's just copy this, the name of this package. Let's just go to npm website, and then let's search for this package. Okay, we didn't even come to npm to check if this package exists. Okay, those are one of my techniques that I was trying to adapt in making this video as short, as simple as possible. Right, short, simple, and possible. Okay, let's just quickly search here, YT package. I'm hoping this is going to come under my name. Okay, under Matthew coded. As you can see, here is the package, here is the version. Where is my name? Okay, looks like my name is not here. Then how are we sure if this is my package? Okay, let's see, am I logged in? Yes. Okay, let's see the account. Yes, Matthew coded. As you can see, okay, this is, yes, Matthew coded, this is me. But guys, this is not as convincing. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Let me just copy this. Okay, let me just use another browser. Okay, npm. Okay, let's just use another browser and copy and paste something like this. Okay, something like this. And then let's see here is the package. Okay, but even here it looks like my name is not here. That is not much of a problem. Maybe obviously as I'm trying to do this, maybe I'm searching it in a different way, but it always feels like when this npm package appears here, there is always my name. Okay, my apologies about that, guys. Let me just try this. Package. Okay, let me search. Okay, let me search. Package. Okay, as you can see, my spelling is wrong there. Okay, obviously, if I would like to check this is me, then we'll just have to check here. As you can see, this is coded design. Okay, my apologies guys, I'm not sure how did I got this wrong, but I always felt like my name will appear here. Guys, that is it. Now let's go and quickly test this. Okay, we just have to copy this. Okay, copy this as it is, and then come back to our code. And then from then, let's look at the package.json. As you can see, these are the only, what can I say, this is the only details that we have here. Let's see if we can install this package. Okay, what will be a change in our package.json? Okay, as you can see guys, we've got this YT package, as you can see, 1.0.0. okay, so looks like we have installed our package, right? Yes, remember the idea was we are putting this package on a server and another developer will just download it using this command, and that was all for our project. And then let's go to this code. Okay, let's go to this code. Let's say we are deleting this. Okay, we are deleting this in this code, and then we want to use, just a moment, my apologies about that. Okay, let me just copy this name. Okay, copy this name, and then let's call this function as you can see guys, what I did, I just put my cursor here, I've pressed Control and I've pressed backspace. So this is telling me I can import this function from YT package. Which one? The one that I have installed. My apologies about that. As you can see guys, boom, we've got that function. I am Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. If you feel like this video has added a value in your overall understanding of Node.js and how to create your own package, please do me a favor and subscribe. In case you might want some sort of an advanced version of the same thing, as you know that most commands they look like npx create react app, npx create vite, and all those things. If you might want to get that deep, you want to know how do you get that, you can shoot a comment below. I can create a video which is going to be a follow-up on this one. It's going to be a little bit advanced, but believe me, I will explain it simple, in simple terms, in such a way that you will understand it. I'm Matthew Msengati. Don't forget to code badly with pride. See you on the next one.